Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, yeah. Anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, you a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky. Right about now, it is a night vlog. I don't know how this show. Yo, if that illegal equal, you don't know, you don't feel something in your back. Like, we're there. Candid over this, a Trabass over this, a blue over this, a snake over this. So the snake strip and the wall. Every time we say strip or shed. Yeah, I can see now the see thing gone from over here. Over here, be this one, yeah. Let me see, look up pitch.
Look at the chill.
Boy, you be the man in my eating dinner. When you eat, you want somebody come wet you up with water?
He's dehydrated. You didn't give him no water to chuck that.
When you're thirsty, you beard or you drink your water?
Touch him up.
So, me and Trabass are going to ride here now.
Touch him up. Wow, we get we can down and get it weekend.
Me see everybody tell me it's my time now. Well, tonight at the night.
What?
You're not going to see me on the bike.
Yeah!
Tonight I know it!
You have a jacket, thank you.
Yeah, me want the jacket.
No, yeah, don't too much.
Yo, Candy, 3 away I go on the bike. It's 3 away. We can't fit. Me you hold right now. Me also, Trabass also can. This a lizard, yeah. Yo, out of everybody, I mean, like, me sure about it.
Yeah, for the people who strip.
You won't tell this and leave him alone, you know? Cause he not bite me. Might a snake I calm this one in him.
Which one you love, Candy? What
Who
the hell like
him?
Who?
You like blue, the snake?
Yeah.
You like blue first.
You better say you like blue first.
Then the snake. Then you go and if you go. You know the order them you love them. You love all of them.
But you love them in the other day.
Yeah.
Blue, the snake. If you, yo, don't to parents have favoritism down to them own pitney.
Right. Yeah,
You're just being nosy.
I'm supposed to be looking.
So tell me how Pooh just tried to strike after me while she was in my hand.
Very disobedient. You know you're not come up with, right?
Yeah, you're in punishment. I'm grounding you. She's grounded. I am. Yeah. This is beyond me. Okay. This is way beyond me. After I done said she was my favorite.
But the worst thing, you didn't even say 10 minutes ago.
Not even 10 minutes. Wait, who's my favorite child? Who?
Candy said, he's my favorite. Why did I take it to a stage? He's like, no, not.
Me about to go make some banana fritters right now. No, correction. Saltfish fritters. Me about to go make some saltfish fritters right now. But it's not your typical saltfish fritters where you see your grandmother, your mother, you might make. This is a FamousSosick special recipe. And me alone you know, probably see do it the way yeah. I don't know because I'm weird, you know me always I make weird stuff. But yeah, so me about to go deal with that right now. Me about to go put my saltfish to boil. Because the saltfish I look like they had salt to the salt where them put to the saltfish salt. You're fret, but yeah, I'm about to do that right now. And then me link in back with it. Trabass on this just forward in a sing. So yeah, I get my vitamin sun feed here. Me hot. Me a boil right now. Alright, so right now, let me say to you now, saltfish fritters, but my way, we need flour. Onion is optional to whoever like onion. Onion give it a different taste, a different flavor. Get this onion in the field, them yesterday?
You know.
Them. Get this onion in there yesterday?
No.
Cook out good.
Cook out, yeah.
Then the in there though.
Why them just see that kick yesterday? I don't know what it in there.
That's not in the kick, man.
Yeah, man.
Scotch bonnet.
And the pepper.
Pepper
Put 2
body.
more in there. Show 2 more in there. So I'm gonna creep my neck. I don't want somebody with a left hand and creep it.
No, just 2 days now, then it quick.
You see it?
Yeah, man, no, not just a bay pepper in there, bay pepper.
What? What you say me that, Papa?
Alright, now, this scallion on time. Scallion on time, and a little black pepper. And some salt. Some cayenne pepper.
Cayenne.
Well, now if you use no cayenne since we use some more pepper, but then pepper then really kick, you know? Then you mix it like this, look.
You make it like dumpling like
You
we call it
go
spoon
up
like.
in
We call it spoon like one.
Oh? Oh no.
Potato, potato.
So you add in your saltfish now.
Put it like fried.
Last night I did well for saltfish, so that's why. Special ingredients, ketchup. No, then sweeps that one. No, then sweeps are bigger than I don't know. Saltfish and last in this one.
The man sound like a blender.
Last in this. Remember when Oliver did I sell saltfish? When hurricane come, rush now and yak. Saltfish with us and they can't find no saltfish in it. This the price of this flip. That's some more pepper.
Just no, yeah. I'm gonna go check it out. Just no, yeah.
Just bad piece of something.
Alright, so I'm done here, guys. Cutting up the potato. So I'm going to season. I'm going to fry them, I mean, when the oil is done. When we done frying those, I'll fry these. Hot potato, hot potato.
And what do you blow out them with
Fries.
wedges.
Yeah, I saw them called wedges.
Me never seen no wedges so man gonna be no hungry. The wedges them. Sitting there by my nose. Someone gonna tell me to floor there by my nose.
It was flow up, yeah.
Looking at my microwave and see.
Hold on, that can stay over. Your side door. Your side door. You can put that fridge? Yeah?
So ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm here. Trabass over this consuming food. And I watch vlog, me I go plant some pepper. More make a pepper tree. Yo, look what my son dog run up from the dog run. Yo, the dirt and it look so good still, you know. I'm showing you the dirt. Just look like it dead. And what in white something in there? You don't want to see no white something like this. And not real dirt, that dog. Yo, a sand mixed with dirt this. As me say, me don't know what the hell in the dirt, yeah. Then white something there on the see. A mineral. I'm guessing. A most mineral. Are the I don't remember her name, a volcano rock. A volcano rock them there. The pepper here bad, you know. You don't know how to plant pepper bill. You not go say me I do it wrong, but bill, you don't know how to plant pepper. If you don't say me I do it wrong, I don't see it wrong. Because me I do it right. And now, you just need some water, hold on. Hold on, my fingernail dirt down up in there now. Jesus Christ, look at my journey. The pepper dead. The pepper must dead, my journey. Which one I can put here now? It needs sun though. Put it right there so make it go and live. Make it live right there so. Yo, I don't think this a go grow now. This look like sun. This don't look like regular dirt. Alright, so a time for me answer the question. When you see the title of the vlog, so you know what type of vlog this was. And you know say the answer did I go forward at some point. But me no know. Trabass do vlog, Candy do vlog. Me see when I ask them the question, and the Candy vlog, we ask them a question, and the Trabass vlog, nobody now reply. But me sooner ask the same question them, and my vlog, me run over here so different. Me G's them, you know always like, and you know comment when me ask you know. So it's only right for me keep on talk to you and tell you things. Candy and Trabass, if them there, that me see everybody asks. Might as well me answer it, yeah so. Cause me not keep no frown, I'm not lie to you. Candy when you watch this, Trabass when you watch this, you know how some of my G's them roll. So the question again is Candy and Trabass together?
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect.